Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Bitget password. So if you also want to change Bitget password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bitget application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Bitget application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So in order to change the password, all you have to do is tap on this icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. At top, you'll be able to find your username and UID. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the user center interface. You'll be able to find two sections over here: profile, security, and notifications. All you have to do is tap on the security option that you can see at the second. Now you'll be able to see several security options over here. You'll be able to see the option for security level, passkey, Google Authenticator, email, mobile number, login password, account activity, etc. If you want to change your password, simply tap on the option login password that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to set your new password. Simply enter the new password. Your password must contain 8 to 32 characters. It must contain at least one uppercase letter, number, and symbol. Now verify your new password. Simply tap right over here. Enter the password again. After that, simply tap on the submit option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to go through some security verification process. First of all, enter the verification code that will be sent to your email address. Simply open Gmail application. You can see over here Bitget has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to Bitget application. Now enter that code over here. After that, what you have to do is enter the 6-digit verification code from Google Authenticator. For that, simply open Google Authenticator application. You'll be able to see the code over there. Simply enter the code that you can see over there. Now after that, your password will be changed. After your password has been changed, your P2P sales and withdrawals will be kept in hold temporarily for about 24 hours. So that is how you change password on Bitget. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.